I love it when the snow's thick and Vince Guaraldi kick a tune that Charlie Brown can get with. Syntax are terrific on an island full of misfit broken toys for girls and boys. Show 'em Christ can fix it. Sliding down a liquid patch of frozen drifted powder. Every hour of a snow day is gifted. My long john's twisted, layers of defense get me into a winter coat so I can finally zip it. Quick to play a pickup game of winter football, crying cause the snow is on my wrist each time I fall. Calling for the pass, I'm open near the manhole, hoping for the score. Broken tackle past the lamppost, celebrate the victory. Chocolate gold, got my cup in the pot, pickpocket the stove. Drinking down a mug of Mary, making me bold, but it's barely 1 o'clock, I'm on the couch out cold. I spit a rhyme and display like I'm grinding a sleigh against the break. Each snowflake finding her way to the ground. Frozen lake like kinda display. Your breath taken in the light of a white snow day. Spit a rhyme and display like I'm grinding a sleigh against the break. Each snowflake finding her way to the ground. Frozen lake like kinda display. Your breath taken in the light of a white snow day. After a nap, I grab my jacket and cap, back in the fine drift, 9 inches in fact. Spine pinches, back breaking, work lifting a stack of white brick, flake thick, cake, ice in a cap. Cassette tape, Walkman, perfectly fat, foam headphones, button blown, bump on the track. A safe man in the jungle, under attack, cause I'm humbled by these crumbling driveway cracks. I'm looking sideways at this neighborhood cat who thinks that he's Olympic in the shovel-like track. Grip on the handle, I'll dismantle him flat. Concrete scraping steel